Sedimentary rocks fall under two classifications based on how they were formed: clastic or detrital, and chemical. Naturally, these both have their own subdivisions based on mineral composition and origin. As always, I'll keep this simple, but remember the real world is usually always more complicated. Clastic or detrital. These sedimentary rocks form from the physical weathering, erosion, and lithification of pre-existing rocks and/or sediments. This can be due to ice, wind, water, landslides, or any other process that breaks down a rock without altering the chemistry. When you have your clastic or detrital sedimentary rock, you then need to determine the grain type, size, shape, and amounts. Some rocks may be exclusively one mineral, while others might be a mix of some kind. Claystones, siltstones, shale, sandstones, conglomerates, and breccias are all examples of clastic or detrital sedimentary rocks. Once again, some of these can be further subdivided based on the percentage of minerals present, but I'll save that all for another video. Chemical. These sedimentary rocks form from either dissolved minerals in water being deposited in some way, or biochemical or organic matter that has been deposited, buried, and lithified. Generally, these rocks are classified by the minerals present. As water moves through a rock, or even as it just sits somewhere, it can experience changes in temperature and chemical composition. These changes can cause dissolved minerals in that water to be deposited either in a rock or sediment as the water is moving on through, or as a visible layer in the case of the ocean floor or other body of water. It is also possible for a body of water to be evaporated, leaving behind minerals. Some examples of deposited minerals would be some kinds of limestone, flint, and jasper. Examples of evaporites would be gypsum or halite. Other chemical rocks are made up of shells, skeletons, or organic matter from once living organisms or plants. These are the biochemical or organic rocks. The components that make up these rocks can be visible to the naked eye or microscopic. Examples would be some limestones, some chert, and coal.